Alright, we're super late today. We are super late today, and that's because I have a story. I have a story. I have a reason why we are super late today, and why the stream is going to be extremely short. So, basically, what happened today is that I woke up at 9, went to have breakfast at around 10, and instead of coming to my room after breakfast, I went to an art exhibition that was happening in my college. So I went to the art exhibition directly after the breakfast at around 10 o'clock in the morning, and Hyponics. And after that breakfast, after going there, I what I did was basically I participated in one of the hackathon that was going on. That was a craftathon, and I participated in that, and it extended till 8 o'clock in the night. So basically, I woke up at 9 and went to breakfast, and now I'm coming back to my room after 10-12 hours. So it's been a long time. I wasted a lot of time today. But that wasn't actually wasted. I participated in a craftathon, I presented my idea, and it was fun. And that is why today I have to do a very short stream. So this is going to be a really short stream. I'm just going to solve this one question, and then I'm going to end the stream, because after the stream I have to go to another DJ night, which is insane because I already have spent my entire day doing things that made me pretty tired, to be honest. But here we are. We have to do this. So let's finish up this question really quickly. This is the question of the day for today from LeetCode. And so how about we finish up this question and then end the stream, and so that I can go and take a bath and do stuff, right? So we have to design a circular cube. No questions asked. It's pretty easy to design a circular cube. I know how to do that already. So I'm going to use a list to do that. In order to design a circular cube, what I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize my list first of all. Okay. So my list of k variables, because the length of the circular cube is k. And the next thing that I'm going to do is, yes, I need the size. So I'm going to say self.size equals to k, and I'm going to initialize the head to be 0 and tail to be -1. That way I can keep track of numbers in a circular manner, right? So next, when we are talking about enqueue, we have to insert the element into the array. That is very simple. Inserting happens in the rear end, right? Inserting happens in the rear end, and to the inserting, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to check if the array or maybe the queue is empty or not. So we have a function is full here. I'm just going to make use of that function. I'm going to say if self dot is full, right? In that case I cannot insert. If it is not full, then we can simply add some number at tail, and we can increase the tail, right? We can get to the next value. And since we are doing it in the circular manner, we have to take percentage size, right? Self dot size, and then we can insert the actual data on self dot tail, and the data is going to be value, and that's how we are going to return true. So that is enqueue. When we are dequeuing, we have to take the element from the front. Who's there? कौन है? If this is empty, then we cannot do anything. But if it's not empty, in that case I can. So if that's not empty, then we can insert it we can remove the element from the head, right? We can simply remove the element from the head. So what I can do is I can decrease the what I can do is I have removed the element from the head, so head moves one step forward, right? So I have to move the head one step forward, and that's how I can decrease the dequeue from the array. So I can do self.head equals to self.head plus 1 percentage self.size. Now I just need to make sure that if head and tail were at the same position, if self.head equal to self.tail, like if there was just one element in the array, then we have to set this to the base case, which is self.head comma self.tail equals to 0 comma -1, right? And this is how we can say return true. We have done this, so we can call this else. If that's not the case, then this is done. If front, then we can just simply return -1 if self dot head self dot, we have the function is empty. If the array is empty, else self dot data of self dot head. For here we are again going to do return -1 if self dot is empty, else self dot data of self dot tail. I need to write self here is empty, very simple. If the tail is -1, then it is empty. Is full, again very simple. If it is not empty and the next thing after tail is gonna be the head, so you can simply say if not self dot is empty and self dot tail +1, which is the next one, percentage self dot max size. We are at the next size. If the next thing is head, then we have traversed the array in the entire circular fashion, so this is empty. This is full. Okay. My circular key has not proved max size. Yeah, I called it size, not max size, by the way. Alright, this is going to be my smallest string of all time. There you go. Designing a circular queue was the simplest thing. Now I really have to go because of million things that I have to do. So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do a long string tomorrow. Good night for today, and I hope tomorrow I'm able to do slightly longer string. Good night.